So I saw this video and I just have to tell you more about it. So here you can see a cedar waxwing getting drunk from eating fermented fruits or berries. Late in the fall, when there's first frost, the sugars in fruits and berries that are staying still in the trees or bushes, they get fermented and they start containing alcohol. So some birds that eat them, they do get drunk, disoriented, and they fall, they cannot fly anymore. So this is the case with this cedar waxwing, and there are some other birds like Bohemian waxwings and also European robins and American robins that do get drunk from eating fermented berries and fruits.